We use linear models to make functions based on data given to us. This data is typically given to us in the form of a word problem. So when it comes to word problems, make sure you read it very carefully. Even if you have to read the question multiple times, that's okay. That's just how it works. Just take your time and read it until you understand what's asked of you. So for this one, the relation between the cost of a diamond and its weight is linear. In looking at two diamonds, we find that one of the diamonds weighs 0.7 carat and costs $3,543, while the other diamond weighs 0.8 carats and it costs $4,378. So we are going to find a linear function that relates the price of a diamond to its weight, and we are treating the weight as the independent variable. So that means the weight, the carat, is our x value. So 0.7 carat is paired with 3,543, and 0.8 carat is paired with 4,378. So when writing out a set of ordered pairs, we can say that 0.7 and 3,543, one ordered pair down there, and then 0.8 and 4,378 is our other order pair. So when writing a linear function, you have to have a point and a slope. We got 2 points, which we'll choose one in a second, but we got to find the slope. And so slope, m, is going to equal 4,378 minus 3,543 divided by 0.8 minus 0.7. And so when we do all that, we're going to get a slope of 8,350. So now we have our slope, and we need a point. And again, I'd rather choose something smaller and easier. So I'm going to choose 0.7 and 3,543. So in our formula, point slope, y minus 3,543 equals 8,350 times x minus 0.7. And now distribute the 8,350 over. So y minus 3,543 equals 8,350x minus 5,845. And then I'll add the 3,543 over here. And so I'm going to end up getting y equals 8,350x minus 2,302. And since we want it as a linear function, we can just change out y to f of x if we want to. But since we're dealing with the price of diamonds, we can just call this p of x if we want. But in any case, this would be the function that models it. Next, we're going to predict the price of a diamond that weighs 0.77 carat. So since, again, the weight is our x value, we say that x equals 0.77. So we're going to find p of 0.77. So 8,350 times 0.77. You can drop the 0 if you want to. I did in this case, but you can keep it if you want. It's all the same. And again, just run all this into a calculator and let it do the work for you. And we'll get 4,127.5. So what is the price? Price is, got it backwards, $4,127.50 for a diamond that is 0.77 carat. Now we're going to interpret the slope, which the slope is $8,350. So what does it mean in context? Well, for every, well, I'll say it this way. The cost of diamonds increases by $8,350 per carat. Or you can say that every carat increase causes the diamond to increase in price by $8,350. Some wording like that. Again, how you word it is up to you, as long as it conveys the same information. And if a diamond costs $5,300, what do you think it should weigh? What would be its carat? So this here is our y value, our f of x value, or in our case, p of x. So we can say that p of x is going to equal 5,300. So we're going to set our equation equal to that. So 5,300 equals 8,350x minus 2,302. Add the 2302 over here, and we're going to get 7,602 equals 8350x, and divide that over to get the x by itself, and we're going to get 0.91 equals x. So what this means is that a diamond that costs $5,300 is going to be 0.91